In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple way to manually download and upload files, specifically focusing on transferring files from Google Drive to Dropbox. This method is especially effective if you only have a few files to transfer and you want to do it without the complexity of automated tools or software. We're going to break it all down step by step, so you feel confident about getting those files exactly where you want them. First things first, you'll need to log in to Google Drive. Head over to the Google Drive website and sign in with your credentials. If your files are already organized there, you're off to a great start. Once you've signed in, it's time to locate the files or folders you want to move. Whether it's a solitary document or a neat little folder of photos, simply select them by clicking once. This will ensure they are highlighted and ready for the next step. Now, with your files or folders selected, what you want to do is right-click on any one of them. Among the options presented, look for and click on Download. If you've selected multiple files, Google Drive will automatically compress them into a convenient .zip file. This makes the file transfer more efficient and ensures everything stays neatly together. After the download has completed, go to your Downloads folder on your computer to check for the file. If it's a zip file, you'll need to extract it by right-clicking and choosing Extract All or a similar option on your machine. This is an important step because it prepares your files for the next stage of the process. Next, it's off to Dropbox. Open up your web browser and visit dropbox.com. Sign in just like you did with Google Drive. Now make sure the Dropbox window is open and ready for action. Here's where the transfer really happens. Simply drag and drop the files or folders from your computer into the Dropbox window. You'll likely see a progress bar indicating that the files are being uploaded. This part might take a little time depending on the size of what you're transferring, so sit back and let Dropbox do its thing. And there you have it. Your files have successfully transitioned from Google Drive to Dropbox. Check inside Dropbox to confirm they're all there and intact. Remember, this straightforward method is ideal for smaller transfers, and the manual approach can be satisfying when you know you've got a hands-on handle on your data. Thanks for watching and following along with this tutorial. I hope this process makes your file transfers smooth and stress-free. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any lingering questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Until next time.